The president's reform plan for an emerging Gabon focuses on building infrastructure and sustainable development and growth of Gabon's resources and manufacturing sectors. The goal here is to diversify an economy that largely depends on the petroleum industry for revenue growth. In this video, we will show you the largest current and future projects in Gabon. Tallest building of Gabon. FB Group is proud to announce its latest ambitious project, the construction of the 50 stories and 200 meters height Libreville Tower, which will be the tallest building in Gabon. This landmark development will significantly enhance the skyline of Libreville, the nation's capital, and underscores FB Group's commitment to innovative and sustainable construction. Is a visionary urban development project poised to become Libreville's new central hub. This ambitious project envisions a district brimming with business districts, residential areas, shopping centers, and a captivating marina. Will serve as a crucial facility for government operations, housing the presidential offices and various ministries. The Libreville Tower will be a landmark structure in Gabon, pushing the boundaries of design and construction. Construction is scheduled to begin in 2024, with completion anticipated by first quarter 2027. Gabon-Congo Road Upgrade Project. The work is a key component of the project for support to the infrastructure sector in Gabon. This is being carried out in two main phases. Also planned as part of the surfacing of 20 kilometers of roads in Libreville. Improving the road connection between Libreville and Brazzaville will help deliver a major boost to the economies of both Gabon and Republic of the Congo, facilitating trade and transport. Similar work will see improved transport connections with neighboring Cameroon to the north of Gabon. Gabon One School Project. Education is key to creating better futures for individuals, but also better futures for communities more broadly. That's why the United States is partnering with Gabon on multiple school construction projects in the country, helping to create opportunities for young Gabonese students. The school projects are part of the humanitarian assistance program funded by U.S. Africa Command. Europe District plans to award a contract for construction of the new Ndaba School in Owendo in 2025, with completion expected in 2026. Rail Modernization Project. The modernization of its sole railway spanning 650 kilometers would amount to $600 million. A deal was signed with rail operator Setrag to upgrade the railway connecting port of Owendo to Franceville. The government shall contribute with $220 million, with the remaining sum to be offered by international partners. The Trans-Gabon Railway is expected to be upgraded on a 200 kilometers stretch from Milol to Franceville, and a 30 kilometers section between Joel and Alembi. The project aims to cut operating costs, enhance reliability, and restore track capacity. Last year, the railway transported 10 million tons of freight and 230,000 passengers. Has operated the line since 2005 under a concession agreement lasting until 2035. The Owendo Gas Power Plant project, which will commence construction in June, is expected to play a vital role in Gabon's goal of increasing its electricity generation by 50% by 2025. The plant will primarily utilize natural gas from Gabon's offshore fields to generate electricity, addressing both growing domestic demand and facilitating regional energy trade. This strategy includes a new drilling campaign scheduled for 2025, with 5 to 10 wells planned on a $200 million budget. The expansion of Valco's operations further enhances Gabon's ability to capitalize on its natural gas resources, contributing to the feedstock needed for its growing gas-to-power sector. These developments underscore Gabon's strong resource base and highlight the increasing confidence in its energy potential. And addressing issues with aging infrastructure. Gabon is also building two major power plants, Ngolmanjim 83 megawatts and Owendo 120 megawatts. To diversify energy sources and stabilize its electricity supply. Gabon has started the first phase of its electricity interconnection project with Equatorial Guinea. This project aims to boost power supply in northern regions and supports Gabon's goal of universal energy access by 2035.